Good morning, everyone. Khiresh Joshi here. I want to talk about the primary trend I'm seeing with every serious investor I speak to right now. Everyone is chasing townhouses and villas. And frankly, it makes perfect sense. In Dubai, there is a genuine structural undersupply of this asset class. Developers inherently prefer building apartments because the profitability is much higher, but for the astute investor, the focus shifts from if to where and how to ensure you are securing an elite investment, not just an average one. To cut through the market noise and ensure your investment is truly superior, you must analyze every deal using my three non-negotiable frames of mind. First, the supply check. What is the actual verifiable volume of your specific asset type coming into that community? Second, the demand drivers. What are the tangible fundamental reasons that will guarantee long-term value appreciation? And third, the entry price. As you getting in at a price that offers quantifiable, genuine discount against a comparable established community. Now, let's apply this framework right now to two major projects. Number one, the Damac Lagoons. The most advertised community in Dubai today is the Damac Lagoons. It is a massive high visibility play with huge marketing spend. But when you apply the fundamentals, we see strategic risk. The supply check is critical here. With thousands of units, townhouses, villas and apartments launching across the various clusters, this sheer volume of supply will inevitably impact your resale value down the line. The demand drivers are currently focused on resort-style amenities and lagoons. However, the location is on the back end of E611, which is Emirates Road, what we call the Zone 5 part of Dubai. It's not central. The demand is based on a marketed lifestyle, not mature core city infrastructure. When we look at the entry price for the Damac Lagoons, new townhouses are currently priced between 81,200 and 81,300 per square foot, based on a 4-bedroom at 82.7 million for 2,208 square feet, which is its built-in area. You have to compare this to existing ready zone 5 communities like the Damac Hill, which trade around 1,500 per square foot. This price difference is not significant enough to compensate for the high supply risk and the non-central location. As an investor, you need a larger margin of safety, and this project, while visually stunning, is betting heavily on future city growth rather than current market fundamentals. Now, let's look at the quiet winner, the one that the smart money is moving into, Jumeirah Golf Estates Phase 2. While the master plan is large, the supply check reveals a major advantage while the entire next chapter development is vast. The specific supply of core residential villas and townhouses is highly restricted within its own subcluster. DG Villas, Ashwood, Pinewood, Terra Golf, you are not competing against the massive unit count seen in other communities. You are buying into limited exclusive releases like Terra Golf, Collection Phase 2 and Mera 16 standalone villas. This controlled low-density supply guarantees exclusivity. This leads to the demand drivers, which are unmatched. Jumeirah Golf Estate is centrally located in the Zone 2 to 3 corridor. The future infrastructure here is fundamental and game-changing. An already operational metro station, a planned Etihad rail stop, the massive new Central Park, and major upcoming districts. As a general rule, the more central your villa, the higher your capital appreciation will be. Critically, look at the entry price. New Jumeirah Golf Estate Phase 2 units like those in DG Villas or Terra Golf are currently launching with pricing ranging from 1,600 to over 82,000 per square foot. Yes, that's higher than the Damac Lagoons. But here's the key. The closest comparable ready properties in Jumeirah Golf Estates Phase 1 trade for well over 82,500 to 83,000 plus per square foot. You are buying into Phase 2 with a genuine documented price discount of 20 to 50% against its mature neighbor. That is your immediate capital appreciation locked in. Every investment decision must pass the filter of supply, demand drivers, and entry price. Jumeirah Golf Estates Phase 2 is the superior strategy played due to its controlled low density supply, foundational city-centric demand drivers, and the massive verifiable price discount against its existing market value. Don't follow the noise, follow the fundamentals. If you have an agent you trust, I urge you to respect their time and continue with them. However, if you are looking for an advisor who provides the level of unbiased, data-backed market analysis across every single developer, not just one they are pushing, then that's where I come. Feel free to reach out to me below. I'll be more than happy to help you structure a winning investment strategy for the entire UAE market. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.